What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Thais Simone.
And Anna Maria.
And we are back with some more weekly messages. So this message is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising for January 16th, 2022 to February 1st.
Also, if you're interested in getting a personal reading, we do those now. So if you need any specific information on a situation going on in your life, an event, a specific person, look in our description box and see how you can communicate with us, and we'll get right on that for you.
What's up, Gemini? What's going on with you guys? Okay.
Spirit, please give us some messages for Gemini.
Yeah.
January 16th to February 1st.
Tell me something good.
Oh,
damn. Damn. Okay, well, starting off strong.
King of Wands.
Starting off strong. Gemini, what the fuck is going on?
Six of Wands, King of Wands. Listen, the Devil.
Excuse me.
We've got the Seven of Wands in reverse.
The Hierophant.
Got the Eight of Cups.
Okay. The King of Pentacles reversed. Taurus got the same card.
Mm-hmm. Strength.
And the Princess of Cups. Reversed. Alright, Gemini. Look. Alright, so I said tell me something good, and I don't know what happened.
Yeah, Six of Wands came out reversed. Damn.
But I feel like your situation is surrounding the Hierophant, so I feel like it could be concerning partnerships. It could be concerning challenging some belief that you were, maybe taught to believe. Excuse me. That you were taught to believe. And it may be causing you like a lot of anxiety. It may be like I feel like whatever it is not for you. With the Devil and the Six of Wands and the King of Wands, and I feel like maybe you've rebelled against it in the past, or maybe like you tried to stand in your power against it, whatever it is, because even strength is like down here, and that's like a major of standing in your power. And when I see the King of Wands, it does make me feel like somebody who takes action towards the things that they want and they don't want, or to get away from the things that they don't want.
Alright, you're definitely standing your ground here with the Seven of Wands in reverse. I feel like you're definitely fighting back, standing your ground. This nigga's finna karate chop the fuck out of some niggas. He's serious. He's in position and everything. In midair. Like, he's ready. So I definitely think whatever it is, you're standing your ground, and that's good. Keep going in that direction.
I feel like maybe it was a lesson learned or failure in the past. A failure equals a lesson learned. Yeah. So maybe you didn't succeed, maybe, and then maybe that's where the Devil energy kind of came in, because, it was a battle that was unfinished or unwon. And I feel like you're still fighting. So whatever it is something, I feel like it's really something you are fighting against. It's a lot of wands in this
or
area.
Fighting for.
Yeah. That's a good point. Or fighting for.
Yeah.
I feel like with the Princess of Cups reversed. Every time I see this card, it makes me think of a sad song.
Really?
Yeah, I just see a sad song. But come up off that. What do you think?
I think I need some clarification.
On which card?
Let's see about the Six of Wands.
Spirit, can you please clarify the Six of Wands for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising? Alright. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising.
Something you are working on.
Yeah, maybe it's a partnership, or it's
a
like
project or something.
A project that you're working on, or you're fighting for, you're fighting against, something you're working on. And it may be something you've been working on for a long time with the Hierophant. or with the same group of people, or maybe you've been doing the same project the same way.
It's time for you to change how you're doing it. And I feel like don't get too stuck in being upset, because then that could lead to you being like emotionally numb. You know what I'm saying? You kind of need emotion to create.
Yeah.
So don't be too caught up in just doing, and then you know what I'm saying? Like
that you don't feel
right.
Okay, so I feel like with the Five of Swords clarifying the King of Pentacles, I feel like you may be feeling defeated, or you may be feeling like you don't know if you even won or not. And it's making me feel like, I mean, is it really something to win? Like, what are you fighting? Like, what are you, okay. What's the Seven of Wands? Spirit, can you please clarify the Seven of Wands?
The Knight of Wands reversed. You're getting closer to the 10. Don't let this shit stress you out.
I would say this feels like going backwards.
Yeah.
So maybe doing something the same way or the traditional way is hurting you or your project. And I feel like you might not be listening to or paying attention to how you feel.
I kind of just got something, so I don't know why, but this card all of a sudden, well, the combination of these cards kind of like gave me like working more than one job, like working like 3 jobs or some shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like Gemini, if you're working more than one job, don't do that shit. Like,
work smarter, not harder.
Right, and you might have people in your ear being like, you know, get a job, you need to have these jobs in order to do this. You do not need a fucking job to be successful and to live your life. You know, especially fucking 3. You know, that leads to burnout. And that's probably why you fucking might be feeling numb. You know what I'm saying? Like being that exhausted from working 3 jobs, and you can be putting all the energy in your own shit, you know?
Or there are 3 things that are draining you.
Right.
So yeah, the Wheel of Fortune reverse, I feel like I really feel like you're not paying attention to how you feel. And whatever you do whenever you do focus on how you feel, you focus on the things that are hurting you. And I feel like, or you focus on the need to stay in this tradition, or the need to continue doing something the way that you've been doing it. But I don't feel like that's the way to go. Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So it's definitely concerning some relationship or partnership. Yeah, that you're unhappy about. So maybe you're working with somebody. Okay, and then you got the 10 of Cups reverse and the 6 of Pentacles. So I feel like you might be working with somebody or some people that aren't giving and receiving on the same level that you are. Or maybe you're not giving and receiving on the same level as whoever you're working with. And it's causing a lot of unhappiness and just defensiveness and just stopping the project. And it's like, it feels like a lot of fighting going on.
Well, let's get some advice for you, Gemini.
Yeah, emotions are running high.
Yeah.
I feel like you should probably meditate.
For sure. And instead of like, I don't know if you or these group of people have like actually, because I don't see any swords. So.
Except for not knowing if you won or not.
Yeah, like try to have a
stuck.
conversation instead of just like getting straight to the fire energy and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, try to communicate if you already haven't. Surrender to the divine. I feel like that connects with the Wheel of Fortune, honestly. Like surrendering to the divine, not repeating cycles.
Yeah, let it go. I feel like you just probably need to let it go. And if you don't let it go, definitely tune into how you feel, because you're not tuning into how you feel is stopping the wheel. I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it did.
Yeah, and also going like in terms of going and being in tune with how you feel, that also kind of directly links with your thoughts. So slow down and think and feel.
Yeah,
and
come out of this worry.
And that's how you'll come to your conclusion.
Brad, this Two of Pentacles.
Oh, wow. I literally just said conclusion. Conclusions are within reach.
I was about to say, yeah, you're definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. The Two of Pentacles, not Two of Pentacles, I keep saying that. The Two of Cups is at the bottom of both decks.
Wow.
So it's definitely concerning some partnership or some relationship or some project that you're working on. And it's suffering. Like, it's suffering because of all this fighting or this emotions running high and all this stress and this worry. Like, come out of this.
Breathe and think and feel.
Yeah, get it together, Gemini. Alright, so that is what we have for you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bells so you don't miss out on any new videos. And yeah, so in case you forgot, we are offering personal readings. So if you would like more clarification or if you would like more insight on a specific situation in your life, check out the description box below for more information on that. And until next time, you are truly legendary. We love and appreciate you, and we will see you later.